Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So, we're going to start with grade 7 maths. So, you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 7 maths, and find the chapter that is expressions and properties. So, we're going to start with the chapter expressions and properties, and the lessons we are going to cover today are identify terms and coefficients, properties of addition and multiplication, distributive property, and solve equations using properties. Got it? This is the list of the lessons we are going to cover today. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down important points and examples as well. Got it? Let's start with the very first topic, that is identify terms and coefficients. Identify terms and coefficients. Got it? Let's start with the lesson. Okay, here I am on grade 7 maths. The chapter name is expressions and properties, and here is the lesson, that is identify terms and coefficients. Let's start with the lesson. Okay, let's start with the test questions. Okay, look at the following expression. 5k. What is the coefficient of k? Okay, so you have 5 and k. K is the variable in the expression and 5 is the coefficient of the variable k. Got it? Coefficient is the numbers that are combined, that are written with the variables. This is the variable. Whatever the variable is, a, b, c, x, y, k, q, they all are the variables. Got it? The small letters, the small alphabetic letters are always the variables, and the number written with the variable is the coefficient of that variable. So 5 is the coefficient of the variable k. Got it? It would be 5. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is look at the following expression. How many terms are there? Okay, the expressions are, excuse me. Okay, it would be u minus 3u cube minus 3u square. Okay, you have to see how many terms are there. So these are all, we have three of the terms, 1, 2, and, excuse me. Okay, any combination of the coefficient and variables combined together with a mathematical operation are the terms. So here you have three terms, 1, 2, 3. You have three of the terms combined together with the negative sign, so the total terms are 3. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. The next one is look at the following expression. Which of the following are terms in the expression? M or 2 plus m? Which of the following are terms in the expression? 2 plus m is the term in the expression. Got it? Just select the correct option. Here you have 2 plus m. That is the term in the expression. Terms are the ones that are combined together with any of the mathematical expressions. Got it? Mathematical operations. So select the correct option, then click on the ym. The terms being added together are 2m and n. So what they asked, which of the following are terms in the expression? M is the term in, sorry, expression is 2 plus m plus n, and m is the term. Basically, you have to select the term. So m is a term in the expression. Got it? Okay. Which, look at the following expression, 4k plus 5 minus m square. Which of the following are terms in the expression, negative m square or k? That would be the negative m square, because here with k you have a coefficient, but here you're not mentioned with the coefficient. Got it? So negative m square is the correct option. Okay, look at the following expression. What, which of the following are terms in this expression? So which is the correct option? The first one or the second one? Which of the option is the correct one? It would be the second one. Got it? Because you don't have one in the following expression. Got it? Okay, just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. The second one, 5 and s are the terms in the expression. You don't have one in the expression. Look at the following expressions, 4r minus 4 minus 4s cube. Which of the following are terms in the expression? 4r and minus 4s cube, and 4 and s cube. You don't have, yes, the second option, because you don't have 4 in the in these expressions. It is negative 4. So you have 4r and negative 4s cube. So first option is the correct one. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, look at the following expression, 4 plus 2d plus 3d square. How many terms are there? You have three terms, 4, 2d and 3d square. They are the three terms combined together with the positive sign. Got it? So you have three terms. Okay, look at the following expression. Which of the following are the terms in the expression? So which option is the correct one? U and 2v. Which option is the correct one? The second one, because u has a negative sign in the expression. Got it? But here you are not mentioned with a negative sign. So 2v is the correct option. Very good. Look at the following expression. Which of the following are terms in the expression, 3n or n? Which is the correct option? It would be 3n. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Very good. Okay, which of the, look at the following expression, 2j minus 3. How many terms are there? How many expressions are there? Terms are there? Two terms. Got it? 2j and negative 3. So you have two of the terms are here. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. The next topic is properties of addition and multiplication. Got it? The lesson name. Let me write down the lesson name. It would be properties of addition and multiplication. Got it? Let's start with the lesson. Okay, let me just go back. Okay, here is the lesson, properties of addition and multiplication. We are working on grade 7 math. The chapter name is expressions and properties, and the lesson name is properties of addition and multiplication. Got it? Okay, I forgot to click on the continue button actually. Okay, so we are going to learn some properties of the addition and multiplication. So let me first explain the properties of multiplication and addition. Got it? Okay, first of all, we have a I forgot the property name. Let me think which one is it. Mm, oh yes, it is commutative property. Commutative property. Then we have associative property. Got it? These are the very important properties. Associative properties. Okay, the commutative property is, for example, you are adding two numbers a plus b. They are equal to b plus a. Got it? That means they're writing the order of writing the number doesn't matter. Either you do 1 plus 2 or either you do 2 plus 1. The answer is exactly same. Got it? 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 plus 1 is 2. That is the commutative property of addition. Got it? Because here you have the positive sign. Same is the case for the multiplication. A times b and b times a is same. Like you can see 5 times 4 and 4 times 5 both have the same answer, isn't it? 4 times 5 is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. That is the commutative property of multiplication. If two of the numbers are involved and on the both sides of the equality the numbers are same, just writing the order of the numbers are different. That means that is the commutative property of whatever the sign is, either the addition or either the multiplication. Got it? Okay, now just look at the associative property. The associative property always involve three of the numbers on the both sides. Like for this one, for example, 1 plus 2 plus 4. Here you have 4 plus 2 plus 1. That means order again. You can write either you can solve 1 plus 2 first, it would be 3 plus 4, or either you do 4 plus 2 first. Both of them have the same answers, but both on both sides the numbers are exactly same, like 1 2 4. Here you have 1 2. That order is changed. Got it? So in case of associative property, three of the numbers are involved, and in case of the commutative property, two of the numbers are involved. You can check for the multiplication also. Either you can do 1 times 2 first, or either you can do 4 times 2 first. In both cases answer is exactly same. 1 times 2 is 2 and 2 times 4. 4 times 2 is 8 and 8 times 1. So 4 times 2 is 8 and 8 times 1 is 8. Got it? That means the order of the numbers doesn't matter in case of addition and in case of multiplication. Got it? Yes, we are all in grade 7. That is the grade 7 session. Got it? Okay, let's start with the test questions. Got it? Prince, for all the grades, we have different names for this session. The session I'm doing right now is for grade 7, and all the students here are from the grade 7. Either they are from previous grade, from the higher grades, just doing the practice questions here. Okay, which property of addition is shown? Is it associative or commutative? 2 plus 7 equals 7 plus 2. Which property is it? It is the commutative property. Two of the numbers are involved here on the both sides. Just the order of writing the number is different. When you add both sides, the answer 2 plus 7 is 9 and 7 plus 2 is 9. Got it? So whenever two of the numbers are involved, the property is commutative property. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, which property of addition is shown? 5 plus 1 plus 8, 5 plus 1 and 8. Just solving the order of the solving order is different. Like for the right side, you have to do 8 plus 1 first. Got it? 8 plus 1 is 9. And on the other side, you have to do 5 plus 1 first. So which property is it? Is it associative or commutative? You have three of the numbers involved on the both sides. So whenever you have three of the numbers involved, the property is always the associative property. Got it? Okay, which property of multiplication is shown? 3 times 2 times 1 or 3 times 2 times 1? Which property is it? Associative or commutative? Three of the numbers are involved on the both sides. Which property is it? It is the associative property. Got it? Yes, very good. It is the associative property. In associative property, three numbers are involved on both sides. The numbers are exactly same. The order, basically that's the order. So order doesn't matter in addition and multiplication. Got it? Okay, which property of addition is shown? Is it associative or commutative? 6 plus 7 plus 2 equals 6 plus 7 plus 2. Which property is it? The three numbers are involved on the both sides. Just order of solving the numbers is different. So which property is it? Yes, very good. It is the associative property. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Which property of addition is shown? 9 plus 7 equals 7 plus 9. Is it associative or commutative? Which is the correct option? Option number 2. That is the commutative property. Got it? Two of the numbers are involved. Just the order is different. It is same. Two of the same numbers are involved. Just the order is different. Writing order. It would be the commutative property. Got it? Okay. Which property of addition is shown? 4 plus 8 plus 2 equals 4 plus 8 plus 2. Which property is it? Is it associative or commutative? It would be the associative property. Three of the numbers, same numbers are involved on both sides. It is associative property. Okay, which property of addition is shown? Which option is the correct one? Option number 1. It is the associative property. Both sides, on the both sides, three of the numbers are involved. Just order of solving them is different. So it would be the associative property. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. So if you need more help with any of the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? The next lesson is distributive property. Let's start with the next lesson, that is distributive property. We are working on grade 7 math. Chapter name is expressions and properties, and the lesson name is distributive property. Okay, so let's start with the first example. That would be 2 times 5k plus 5. And the question is simplify the expression. We have to simplify the expression. Got it? Basically, we're going to apply here is distributive property. Distributive property means the number 2 that is written outside in the bracket, that means it is multiplying with both the numbers. It is multiplying to 2 times 5k and then 2 times 5. It is distributive over the multiplication because 2 is multiplying to the numbers that are inside the bracket. It would be 2 times the 5k, then 2 times the 5. Got it? That is actually the distributive property. 2 times 5 is 10k and 2 times 5 is 10. Got it? It would be k plus 10. Let's start with the test. Okay, 3 times 3 plus 2s. 3 times 3 plus 2s. Got it? Okay, so 3 is multiplying to this 3 and then this number is multiplying to this one. 3 times 3 plus the number written outside the bracket is multiplying to the numbers written inside the bracket. Got it? It would be 3 times 3, which is 9, and then 3 times 2, which is 6s. So it would be 9 plus 6s. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Got it? The next one is 4 times 1 plus 7b. So it would be 4 times 1 plus 7b. So you have to multiply the 4 with both the numbers that are inside the bracket. You have to do 4 times 1, then this plus sign, and then you have to do the 4 times with 7b. It would be 4 times 7b. Got it? 4 times 1 is 4 and 4 times 7 is 28b. It would be 4 plus 28b. Got it, everyone? The correct option is 4 plus 28b. Okay, which of the option is the correct one for this one? 4 times 3z plus 2. Who is going to answer? Which option is the correct one? First one or the second one? You have to multiply 4 that is outside the bracket with both the numbers that are inside the bracket. So which option is the correct one? First one or the second one? It would be 4 times 3 is 12z plus 4 times 2 is 8. So option number 2 is the correct one. Got it? 12z plus 8 is the correct option. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, for the next one, you have to do 2 times 5k plus. No one is answering. Why? 2 times 5k plus 5. So which of the option is the correct one? You have to do 2 times 5k and plus 2 times 5. So 2 times 5k is 10k and plus 2 times 5 is 10. So it would be 10k plus 10. Got it? Please write the answer in the chat box if you already know the answers. If you have any problem, please write the question in the chat box. I'll answer all your questions. But please communicate. Communication is very important. It would be 10k plus n. Okay, which is the correct option for this one? The first option or the second one? 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 6 is Taiwo, is it the first or second? 3 times 6 is 9. You have to multiply the 3 with the 6. 3 times 6 is 3 times 1 plus 6w. Let me do it on board. 3 times 1 plus 6w. You have to do 3 times 1 and plus 3 times 6w. It would be 3 times 1 is 3 and plus 3 times 6 is 18w. Got it? That is the first option, not the second one. Got it? So first option is the correct one. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, which is the correct option for this one? 5 times 1 plus 4m. I'm waiting for the answer. Please write the answer in the chat box. Which of the following is the correct option? Which is the correct option? The first one or the second one? Who is going to answer? Very good. That would be the first one. 5 times 1 is 5 and 5 times 4 is 20. It would be 5 plus 20m. Got it, everyone? Okay, which simplify the expression. Which of the expression is the correct answer? The first one or the second one? Which option is the correct one? No one is answering. Why? Is there any problem? If you have any problem, please write the question in the chat box. If you know the answers, please write the answers in the chat box. Your communication is highly appreciated. Please write the answer. Very good. It would be the second option. 4 times 1 is 4 and 4 times 9 is 36. It would be 4 plus 36f. Got it? Okay, simplify the expression. Which option is the correct one? You have to do the same thing, but here you have 6 is written after the numbers that are inside the bracket. Got it? That's just the order. The method is same. So which option is the correct one? Option 1 or option 2? Very good. Option number 1, 6 times 10 is 60 and 6 times 1 is 6. It would be 60z plus 6. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. Okay, the next topic is solve equations using properties. Let me write down the lesson name. Solve equations using properties. So we have just learned properties. They are associative, multiplicative, and then we did with distributive property. Now you have to apply the properties on the equations. Got it? The properties we just learned, they are solve equations using properties. What value of g makes the multiplication sentence true? You have g equals 1 times 6. You have to apply the properties. G equals 1 times 6. You have to apply the multiplication property. You have to multiply them. 6 times 1 is 6. Got it? Let's just start with the uh, let's start with the test. Okay, what value of q makes the addition sentence true? Use properties of addition. Q plus 0 is adding 0 to any of the number means identity. Got it? Identity means adding 0 to any number equals the same number. Got it? Like 0 plus q is q. 0 plus 10 is 10. That means when you add 0 to any number, the number is exactly the same. So adding 0 means identity. So q plus 0 is q, and the value of the q is 45. Got it? Because you are given with 45 equals 0 plus q. Yes, it is 45. Just select the correct answer and click on the OK button. Okay. Multiply. What value of c makes the multiplication sentence true? So 69 times c equals 0. So what is the value of what is the answer for the c? C equals 0 or 69? Which option is the correct one? That is c equals 0. Got it? Because 69 times c is 69c. No, 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 not 69. Let me just explain. 69 dot c equals 0. 69c times c means 69c, but you have to find the value of c only. 69 is multiplying to c. So opposite to multiplication is division. Got it? It would be 0 over 69, and 0 divided by something is 0. It would be c equals 0. Got it, everyone? So 0 is multiplying to any number and dividing to any number. It remains 0. 0 means 0. Got it? Okay. What value of v makes the multiplication sentence true? We just did with the distributive property of multiplication. So keep the distributive property of multiplication in the mind. What is the value of the v? 68 or 60? Which option is the correct one? Is it 48 or is it 60? 60? How? This is the associative property, and in the associative property on the both sides the numbers are exactly same. Here you have 60, here you have 60, here you have 69, here you have 69, here you have 48, but here you have v. That means which number is it? In the associative property on the both sides the number is exactly same, just the order is the different. So which is the correct option? It would be 48, because at this side you don't have 48. Got it? On the both sides the number must be same. 60 and 69 are already there. Here you have 48 but you don't have 48 this side. So that means the correct option is 48. Got it? So select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, what value of B makes this addition sentence true? 44 equals 47. So 47 plus B equals 0 or 44. The correct option is it is the commutative property of addition, and in the commutative property on the both sides the number are exactly same. So which number is B? Yes, it would be 44 because at this side you have two numbers 44 and 47. Here you are left written with just 47. That means that B is 44. Got it? Okay, what value of J makes the multiplication sentence true? That is the multiplication commutative property of multiplication. So the missing number is the missing number is in the commutative property on the both sides the numbers are same, just their order is different. Got it? So J equals, which is the correct option? It would be 82 because here you have 69 on the both sides, but here you have 82 and here you don't have 82. That means the missing number is 82. Got it? Yes, very good, Taiwo. It is 82. Okay. What value of D makes the addition sentence true? What is the D? Which option is the correct one? 36 or 92? It would be the associative property. So in the associative property, the numbers are exactly same on both sides. Got it? It would be D plus 1 plus 36. So you have 1 on both sides. Yes, very good. It would be 92. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 1 times 11 equals n. So which option is the correct one? N equals, n equals 11 because 11 times 1 is 11. Very good. So select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay. What value of q makes the multiplication sentence true? It would be 95 times 30 and 16 times the missing number. And it would be 95 minus 16 equals 30. So the correct option is 30 or 95. Which option is the correct one? It would be, which number is it? No, it is 30. Just look at this side. 30 is multiplying to both numbers inside the bracket. It would be 95 times 30 and subtract, then it would be 16 times 30. Got it? You have written 16 here. Just 30 is missing. Just match the numbers. 95 times 30, 16 times 30. Got it? On the both sides 30 is multiplying to both the numbers. So it would be 30. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So here is the list of the topics we covered today. They are identified terms and coefficients, properties of addition and multiplication, distributive property, solve equations using properties. So if you need more help with any of the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? If you have any question, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions. I am waiting for the questions from your side. Please write the question in the chat box if you have any. So the correct any questions, please you can ask. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the topics we did today. Got it? So thank you for participating. Thank you all. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.